I brought my handle into the assembly. So next I want to mate the hole to the shaft. I'll select the shaft. I'm going to zoom in on this hole, hold Control, select the hole, release it, add my concentric mate. I'll fit the screen. That's what I want it. So I'm going to move this out. Next I'm going to mate this face to this face with coincident. And now I want, as I turn the handle, the screw to rotate. To make that happen, I'm going to mate an axis in my handle to an axis in the screw. So I'm going to expand my handle. I'm going to look for an appropriate plane. This top plane will work, so I'll select it, and then I'll expand my screw. And again, I want to look for an appropriate plane. The top plane also will work. I'll hold Control, select the top plane, release, and make these coincident. Now, when I move the handle, the vise works appropriately. Go back to my isometric view, zoom to extents, rebuild, and save this part. This vise was created to teach techniques. It's still missing a lot of significant things. So for bonus marks, for those of you listening, if you add a whole series through here with 4 appropriately sized bolts to add this plate to this base, you'll get some bonus marks. And then if you come in here, I'm going to open this part up. Right now it just sits into the vise base. It's not held there anyway. And we have this cutout, which would be doable but kind of expensive to make. So I'm going to close that. So for more bonus marks, fasten this in with some fasteners. Again, using the whole series. You might want to consider going through the base into this part or through this part into here. It's up to you. And you might want to create some bushings for where this screw mates with this that would help it work better. So all that you can do for some bonus marks of your final assignment.